Facebook Live here, Instagram Live here. For anyone who's joining now, we are here for the UKC, the Ukulele Kids Club, which is an awesome organization. It's going to be weird bouncing back and forth between cameras, but I'll try my best. But yeah, we're doing a fundraiser for the UKC. They're an awesome organization that brings the gift of music to kids all across the world, all across the globe. I said it again, but all across the globe, and they bring the gift of music to kids in hospitals, giving them music therapy. I can't even speak. I'm so nervous. Yeah, it's an incredible organization, and I'm proud to be a part of it, and I'm glad that they asked me to come sing some songs for y'all. So without further ado, I think we got enough people on so far to get started. Make sure, I don't know where the donate buttons are, but they're somewhere on this screen. So make sure you guys donate to this incredible organization and enjoy the music. I've got someone telling me the donate button's on the bottom, so that's good to know. Welcome to the real world, she said to me, condescendingly. Take a seat, take your life, plot it out in black and white. Well, I never lived the dream of the prom kings and the drama queens. I'd like to think the best of me is still hiding up my sleeve, yeah. They love to tell you, stay inside the lines, but some things are better on the other side. I wanna run through the halls of my school, I wanna scream at the top of my lungs. I just found out there's no such thing as a real world, just a lie, you gotta rise above. So the good boys and girls take the so-called right track, faded white hats, grabbing credits and made the transfers. They read all the books, but they can't find an answer. All of our parents, they're getting older. I wonder if they wished for anything better, while in their memory, tiny tragedies. They love to tell you, stay inside the lines, but some things are better on the other side. I wanna run through the halls of my school, I wanna scream at the top of my lungs. I just found out there's no such thing as a real world, just a lie, you gotta rise above. I am invincible, I am invincible, I am invincible as long as I'm alive, yeah. I wanna run through the halls of my school, I wanna scream at the top of my lungs. I just found out there's no such thing as a real world, just a lie, you gotta rise above. I just can't wait till my 10-year reunion. I'm gonna bust down the double door, and as I stand on these tables before you all, you know what all this time was for. One. Thank you guys, thank you. That's my family. We got a live audience here, guys. That's how we're doing it. So for anyone who doesn't know, I'm Cory Jeacoma. I am an actor, singer, musician. I try to do it all. I try to stay well-rounded. And I am here for the UKC, the Ukulele Kids Club. They're an incredible organization. I've got a little fact sheet here that I want to read some information for y'all so that you can donate. And we've already raised $20. That's awesome. Let's keep it going, y'all. So as of 2021, this year, the year we're in, believe it or not, the UKC has donated more than 10,000 ukuleles to children in hospitals all around the world. Every year, we want to reach more and more kids and help them use the gift of music for therapy as they cope with their treatments and all that sort of stuff. They're incredible. Do we have a live audience? Oh, we've got a live audience. I've got my mom, my dad, my brother, my neighbor over here. We've got the whole crew over here. I want to make sure I'm seeing what everyone's saying in the comment section. Yeah, if you guys want to chat, make sure you're throwing stuff out there. But yeah, the UKC is incredible. It's about $200 per child that gets treatment with music therapy, and they get their own ukulele, which is awesome. And so let's rack up them dollar bills, y'all. Come on, throw it out there. There's links everywhere. There's for you guys. It's down here for Facebook Live. I don't know. It's somewhere around here, but make sure y'all are donating. Also, if you guys hear a rattling, that's Ace. He's a little golden doodle that's running around the house. So as I mentioned, I'm an actor, and one of the shows that I did was Jersey Boys. I got to play my dream role of Bob Gaudio in Jersey Boys. It was the freaking best. I got to tour the country with it, and I also got to do it in New York for a little bit. So that was a freaking dream. So I figured, why not play you guys one of the songs from Jersey Boys? This was my entrance in the show. It's called Cry For Me. I usually played it on piano, so I'll play it on guitar this time. Hope you guys enjoy it. I cried for you. Now cry for me. No, I don't love you anymore. Cry for me. Well, you had your fun. Don't go, baby, with someone new. Don't go, baby. Now you want me to take you back. We're all through, 'cause now I'm leaving. No make-believing. No, you made a fool of me. So now I'm leaving you. I loved you so, much more than you'll ever know, ever know, ever know. But you just cheated and you lied. So go on and cry for me. Well, you knew it from the start. Someday you'd break my heart. Now we're all through. So go on and cry. Cry for me. Just the way I cried for you. Won't you cry for me, baby? Cry. Just the way I cried for you. Go on and cry. Cry for me. Thanks guys. So that was Cry For Me from Jersey Boys. I just got a note that the mic on the Facebook Live is crackling a little bit. We're a little hot on the mic, so I'm turning it down. Hopefully that's all right for y'all. Yeah, that was from Jersey Boys. I got to play my dream role, Bob Gaudio. Yeah, that was my entrance in the show. For anyone who doesn't know Jersey Boys, that was Bob Gaudio was the fourth member of the group, and he came in and made them this quartet that was that would skyrocket them to stardom. So yeah, it was all Bob Gaudio. But once again, we are here for the UKC, the Ukulele Kids Club. It's an incredible organization that donates the gift of music to kids all across the world. I keep on saying all across the world, but I don't think that's a phrase. It's all across the globe, I guess. I'm getting a request for Pretty Bird, an original of mine. My mom likes that one, so I guess I'm gonna have to do Pretty Bird. All right. Okay. I wasn't planning on doing this one, but John comes on here, my cousin comes on here. I've got to play it now. So this is a song called Pretty Bird. I wrote it and recorded it with my buddy Ryan Loria, Prince of South Florida, on Instagram, and he produced it for me. And we released it this summer. It's on Spotify and Apple Music and all that good stuff. And while I'm playing this one, do yourself a favor. Donate to the Ukulele Kids Club. Let's rack up them dollar bills, y'all. This is Pretty Bird. Hope you guys enjoy. Let's hope I remember the words to my own song. So where you going, pretty bird? You got the sweetest chirp I've ever heard. My friends tell me that you best for me. I tell them that perception's curved. Oh, pretty bird, I see you coming in your high heels, yeah. My words are slipping up on banana peels, yeah. My friends tell me that you best for me. I say she's got me in my feels. Whoa, pretty bird. Whoa, whoa, pretty bird, yeah. Something sweet, then you wink your eye. My friends tell me that you beg for me, but baby, I'm gonna try, yeah, for the pretty bird. Whoa, whoa, pretty bird, yeah. Whoa, 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 yeah. Better get going, better take flight, better flap your wings until you get out of sight. My friends tell me you're bad for me, why did I put up a fight? No, turns out they're right. Whoa, whoa, whoa. This whole live audience is really, it's really helping my ego. So thanks, guys. That was an original of mine called Pretty Bird, streaming everywhere. Check it out. And if you haven't already, donate to the UKC. Links down there. Facebook. I wish I could tell you where it is, but it's somewhere over here in this general vicinity. They're an incredible organization. Make sure you look them up. Follow them on social media. All that good stuff. I'm super happy to be here. We've already raised some money. Keep on going. Keep on going. We appreciate it. And the kids do too, that's for sure. All right, what do we got next for y'all? What should I do, Nev? What should we do? Do a little, go back to a little classic.
How good?
You didn't even know what it was.
Oh,
I'd play one chord, you're like, oh yeah, that one. All right, got a little classic for y'all. It had to be you. It had to be you. I wandered around and finally found somebody who could make me be true, could make me be blue, or even be glad just to be sad, thinking of you. Most others I've seen might never be mean, might never be cross, or try to be boss, but they wouldn't do for nobody else who gives me that thrill. With all your faults, I love you still. It had to be you, wonderful you. It had to be you. Do a little trumpet solo here, ready? Most others I've seen, they might never be mean, they might never be cross, or try to be boss, but they wouldn't do for nobody else who gives me that thrill. With all your faults, I love you still. It had to be you, wonderful you. It had to be you. It had to be you. It had to be you. That trumpet though, that trumpet. It's like a special skill. I need to put it on my resume. Unless it's not as good as I think it is. Oh, right, love, wrong time.
Yeah.
I gotta. Kara Dravis in the house. Well, I gotta down tune the whole guitar then. Maybe I'll do that a little bit later. We still got a lot of show to do, y'all. A lot of show.
I was asking for some John Mayer.
Oh, some John Mayer. We can do that. We can definitely do that. I want to throw some facts out about the UKC because that's why we're here tonight. The Ukulele Kids Club. 3 million children are hospitalized every year in the USA, and we want to give the gift of music therapy to all of them. How cool would that be? And your money, that's where it goes to, y'all. So please keep it coming. And so by the end of 2021, this year, 11,100 kids will have been served by the UKC. How cool is that? That is so cool. Saving lives, y'all. Saving lives, changing lives.
She'll donate again if you get fire and rain.
Oh, if we do fire and rain, say no more, Carolyn. Say no more. All right, here we go. All right. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna get all fancy now. I'm gonna switch guitars. Because I can do that now. I just got a new guitar, so I can do that now. This is my old guitar. I was playing my new one. Yeah, go back to my roots with this bad boy. All right, Carolyn, this is for you. And actually, you know what? This is a good. I can explain why I even know how to play this song. Because first of all, my parents raised me on awesome music, but also I was in the Broadway company of Beautiful, the Carole King musical, and Carole King collabed a ton with James Taylor, and so you'll know this song by James Taylor. So that's my way of making it work. Just yesterday morning, they let me know you were gone. Suzanne, the plans they made put an end to you. I walked out this morning and I wrote down this song. I just can't remember who to send it to. I've seen fire and I've seen rain. I've seen sunny days that I thought would never end. I've seen lonely times when I could not find a friend. But I always thought that I'd see you again. Won't you look down upon me, Jesus? You gotta help me make a stand. You just got to see me through another day. My body's aching and my time is at hand. I won't make it any other way. Oh, I've seen fire and I've seen rain. I've seen sunny days that I thought would never end. I've seen lonely times when I could not find a friend. But I always thought that I'd see you again. I've been working my mind to an easy time, my back turned towards the sun. Lord knows when the cold wind blows, it'll turn your head around. Well, there's hours of time on the telephone line to talk about things that come. Sweet dreams and flying machines all in pieces on the ground. Oh, I've seen fire and I've seen rain. I've seen sunny days that I thought would never end. I've seen lonely times when I could not find a friend. But I always thought that I'd see you, baby, one more time again. Thought I'd see you one more time again. There's just a few things coming my way this time around, no. But I always thought that I'd see you. No, I always thought that I'd see you again. Thank you. Mama likes that one. That's for you, Mom. Well, that's for Carolyn Bozo.
Yes.
Thank you, guys. So I hope you all are enjoying the music. Once again, we're here for the UKC, the Ukulele Kids Club. Donate. Make all the donations. They are doing an incredible thing all over the world. They're donating ukuleles to kids in hospitals that are recovering from treatments, and they are giving them the gift of music therapy. I've seen some of the videos that they of kids that they worked with, and it's the most beautiful thing, because these kids are fighters. They are fighters, and to have music to let distract them. That's why I got into music. It's a nice distraction from the world, especially this past year. That certainly helped. So these kids, they're playing music and learning music, and they learn music theory, and they learn songs, and they play with somebody in their room, and it's a nice little part of their day, that's for sure. So for now, oh no, I just spilled my water all over the floor. Sorry, Mom. I'll clean it up later. No, it's all right. But you know what? Speaking of the past year, I'll play. Someone requested some John Mayer, so I'll play some John Mayer, and this song definitely helped me get through the past year. That's for sure. Close your eyes and clone yourself. Build your heart an army to defend your innocence while you do everything wrong. Don't be scared to walk alone. Don't be scared to like it. There's no time that you must be home, so sleep where darkness falls. Alive in the age of worry, rage in the age of worry. Sing out in the age of worry and say, worry, why should I care? Ooh, Know your fight, it is not with them. Yours is with your time here. Dream your dreams, but don't pretend. Make friends with what you are. Give your heart, then change your mind. You're allowed to do it, 'cause God knows it's been done to you, and somehow you got through it. Alive in the age of worry, rage in the age of worry. Sing out in the age of worry and say, worry, why should I care? Ooh, rage in the age of worry. Act your age in the age of worry and say, worry, get out of here. The Age of Worry by John Mayer. Oh, we're getting requests for Oh What a Night. Guys, you know what? Maybe I was already planning on playing that, but maybe I'm saving it for later, you know? Saving it for the end of the night, you know? Oh What a Night. Just send everybody off for the nighttime, you know what I mean? Yeah, see? I thought it all out, you know? I'm a professional, baby. For anyone who is just joining, we are here for the Ukulele Kids Club. Donate. Your donations are put to an incredible cause. It's about $200 per child that is helped by the Ukulele Kids Club, the gift of music therapy while they are recovering from their treatments in hospitals. It's incredible. Let's hear the dad jokes. Oh no, you don't want to hear none of that. You don't want to hear none of the dad jokes. Get at it down. Honestly, I can't think of any off the top of my head. They just roll off the tongue, I guess. Yeah. Is that technically a dad joke? No, not at all. Here's the thing. When I was advertising for this, telling everyone to come, I definitely said that I was going to try to make everyone laugh, but I probably wouldn't succeed. But in trying, it's going to make you laugh. Because even if I'm not funny, you're going to be like, that's kind of funny, I guess. At least tried. So just, it's okay. Wherever you guys are, just pity laugh me a little bit. All right, what do we got? What have we got here? I always go to some Frank. So should we do some Frank? Yeah. Let's do some Frank. Let me make sure I got these chords down. Oh, now I'm giving away the song. All right, I guess we'll just go into it. Fly me to the moon, let me play among the stars. Let me see what spring is like on Jupiter and Mars. In other words, hold my hand. In other words, baby, kiss me. Fill my heart with song and let me sing forevermore. You are all I long for, all I worship and adore. In other words, please be true. In other words, I love you. said, fill my heart with song and let me sing forevermore. You are all I long for, all I worship, and all I adore. In other words, please be true. In other words, in other words, in other words, I love you. Hey, there we go. I'm just realizing I end a lot of songs with the back. That's like my button 10 times out of 10. Yeah, so a little Frank for you on a Saturday night. If you guys haven't already, make sure you donate to the UKC, Ukulele Kids Club. Links all over. Facebook Live, there somewhere. Instagram Live, down here.
It's all down.
Oh, it's all down. It's all down. Thank you. It's all down. So Facebook Live, down here. Instagram Live, down here. Ain't no shame in that. All right. You know what? I'll do another original for you guys.
Yeah.
Oh, Mama likes this one. This is You and Me and Whiskey. It's an original song that I actually wrote, recorded, and produced all on my own. And I got a dear friend of mine named Natalie Powers to record the fiddle part on it. So if you go on Spotify or Apple Music, you will hear her beautiful fiddle part. So check it out. About an hour out of the cities where we make our great escape. We'll buy a house that's small but pretty and a roll of painter's tape. So when we paint the walls and ceilings, we won't get it on the floor. We'll build a small garage to hide our car and a love seat on the porch. Put a fire pit in the backyard and a couple of tiki torches. And when the winter rolls around to rear its ugly head, we'll build ourselves a fireplace and sit inside instead. Just you and me, a glass of whiskey, and a show we'll never finish watching. Just you and me, a glass of whiskey, and a show we'll never finish watching. Now I'll scratch your back and rub your feet while you sit on the couch. We can make a baby kangaroo you'll hold inside your pouch. And when our Joey's old enough to make it on his own, we'll take ourselves vacationing to Sicily and Rome. Just you and me, a glass of whiskey, and a show we'll never finish watching. Just you and me, a glass of whiskey, and a show we'll never finish watching. Ooh, yeah. Ooh. Just you and me, a glass of whiskey, and a show we'll never finish watching. Just you and me, a glass of whiskey, and a show we'll never finish watching. Thank you, guys. Thank you. Well, hopefully you guys are clapping on the other end of this. If not, it's okay. That's an original of mine called You and Me and Whiskey, streaming everywhere. Yeah, I like that one. That one's it's a nice little love tune. Helps you nuzzle up next to your loved one next to a fire and have a glass of whiskey and enjoy yourself. Love you too, Bryce. Bryce, I already played Pretty Bird. I'm sorry. Whoa! All right. Well, we've got about 10 minutes left, y'all. So if you haven't already, donate to the Ukulele Kids Club. They're an incredible organization. $5. Don't buy Starbucks tomorrow. Give $5 to the organization. Why not? Come on. See, don't buy the mocha frappuccino. Send it to the Ukulele Kids Club. All right. What's another song? It's like now that I'm on the spot, I forget all the songs that I know how to play.
We didn't play the one for Carrie yet, which is.
Yeah, Right Love Wrong Time. But you know what? I got a down tune and everything. You can find Right Love Wrong Time, Spotify, Apple Music, all that good stuff. Man, my hair is just poofing right now. Got this Jufro be popping, baby. All right, what have we got? I'm literally like blanking on all this. Oh, duh. I've got to do that one.
Thanks for the Pete Throw.
Oh, there we go. That's our cousin.
Oh, dude.
Yeah, baby. All right, got a little Toy Story for y'all. I'm a Toy Story fanatic, so this one's for me. You got a friend in me. You got a friend in me. When the road looks rough ahead and you're miles from your nice warm bed, you just remember what your old pal said, 'cause you've got a friend in me. You've got a friend in me. You got a friend in me. You got a friend in me. You got troubles, woo, well, I got them too. There isn't anything that I wouldn't do for you. We stick together and we'll see it through, 'cause you got a friend in me. You got a friend in me. Now some other folks might be a little bit smarter than I am, bigger and stronger too, maybe. But none of them will ever love you the way that I do. Just me and you, boy. And as the years go by, our friendship will never die. You're gonna see, it's our destiny. Yeah. You got a friend in me. You got a friend in me. You've got a friend in me. You got a UKC, baby.
UKC.
You. Okay. All right, I give up on that. That happened quick. All right, the donations are coming in, y'all. Keep them coming. $200 is what one child needs in the hospital to get the ukulele, the music therapy, all that good stuff. And we're almost there on Instagram Live. I'm not sure what we're at on Facebook Live. Facebook I'm never on, so I don't know where to even look. But keep those donations coming, y'all. Keep them coming. Keep them coming. You got a friend in me. You got a friend in UKC. That's what I did for the intro.
How good.
When I recorded it the other day, I was like, "You got a friend in UKC." Oh, I thought it was so slick.
That was.
I thought it was so slick. I was like, "Man, let's go, Cory."
You're a writer or
It's
something.
like, yeah. I was like, "Dang." Yeah, I was like, "All right, let's go." Ain't nothing but a thing. All right. We got 5 minutes left. No.
Oh, nice.
All right, well, I'll get to that. Before I go into my last song, I do want to just throw some more fun facts at you for anyone who has just joined or didn't hear the facts before. 3 million children are hospitalized every year in the USA, and the UKC wants to cover all of them with ukuleles and music therapy so that they can get through these treatments a little bit easier. It's going to be awesome. 11,000 100 children have been served by the UKC in 2021 alone. Their goal for 2021 is 1,500. 1,500 children, so keep it coming. Keep it coming. 220 sites are supported by the UKC, and that's in the United States, Canada, Czech Republic, France, Mexico, Puerto Rico, Taiwan, and the United Kingdom. Global, baby! UKC is global! So keep it coming. Donations, keep them coming, y'all. All right, well, you know, they're saying keep it going. So I guess, you know what? I'll give you guys, we got two more, and then we'll close it out, y'all. But now I need to think of another song to play. I could do that. I don't know the words to that, though. Whenever I play it at gigs, I'm always like, yeah, I like pull away from the mic, and I'm like,
What are your ones that you wrote yourself then?
one that I wrote? Oh wait, no, I guess I can do it. This is another one that I end on. Man, how good. It's classic. All right. So this one, this is an original of mine that I have not recorded yet. Well, I recorded it, but we have not released it. So maybe, you know, within the next year, who knows? Who knows? So this one's called I Want to Get to Know You. So enjoy. Give me a moment just to make these chords speak, 'cause my words have sadly drowned in a creek, as I try to write a verse that says I love you, I love you. So bring that cute little butt closer, dear. Get close enough so that you can hear about how I put no one else above you, no one else above you. They say that we don't know ourselves very well. Well, I say good, 'cause if I ever had to live a single day without you, I don't think that I could. I wanna get to know you in a biblical sense. I wanna call you everything that means we're more than just friends. I want a big spoon, your little spoon when it's cold at night. I wanna walk out of the room saying, baby, you're right. I wanna get to know you. I wanna get to know you. So now that I've picked up a groove, I'm hoping that it'll make your hips move, 'cause you know how much I love that hip moving thing. Don't worry about the hair in your face, everything's perfect even when out of place, yeah. So scoot that cute little butt closer here, because there's something that I want you to hear. They say that we don't know ourselves very well. Well, I say good, 'cause if I ever had to live a single day without you, I don't think that I could. I wanna get to know you, just like Bonnie and Clyde. I'll call you Dr. Jekyll, call me Mr. Hyde. Let's go back to the future. You'll be Marty McFly, and I'll be the DeLorean. Let's go for a ride. I wanna get to know you. 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 Here it is. I wanna get the. Yeah, that's an original of mine called I Want to Get to Know You. Not yet released, so that's where you're going to hear it. Sorry, guys. All right.
200 there.
We hit 200.
Yes,
that
sir.
is one kid in a hospital that will get a ukulele and get music therapy during their treatment. How awesome is that? We did that, y'all.
Boom.
We did that. We did the thing. And I don't even know what we got on Facebook Live. That might be another 200. It is another 200. Dang it.
Yeah.
Let's say it. Oh, Bryce, you do know me. I was with you last week at the beach. In fact, you actually posted a picture. I'm confused now. All right, y'all. Well, we are reaching the end. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. But I've got one more song for y'all. And it was requested a little early on, but I knew that I was gonna get around to it, so I figured I would hold off on it. This is a song from a show that I did called Jersey Boys, and you know, I usually didn't play guitar on it. It was like a whole horn section and all that fun stuff, but I'll play it on guitar. That's what you're gonna get. So this is from Jersey Boys. I won't even say the title because you'll know what it is, but sing along. Feel free to. Messing up already. Oh, what a night. Late December back in '63. What a very special time for me. As I remember, what a night. Oh, what a night. You know I didn't even know her name, but I was never gonna be the same. What a lady, what a night. Oh, I got a funny feeling when she walked in the room. Yeah, mine, as I recall, it ended much too soon. Said hypnotizing, mesmerizing me. She was everything I dreamed she'd be. Sweet surrender, what a night. Ooh, yeah. I felt a rush like a rolling ball of thunder, spinning my head around and taking my body under. What a night. Oh, what a night. What a night. Oh, what a night. Yeah. Ooh, yeah, yeah. Yeah, I don't know if it just paused on Instagram Live. Oh, it did? No, that's too bad. I'm sorry, y'all. I was playing and my phone said 10%. Do I play it again? I wish that I could. Well, should I? I mean, Instagram Live didn't see half. Nah, it's all right. It's all right. You guys get the gist of it.
Yeah. Right.
But y'all, thank you so much. If you haven't already, I'm going to leave this up for a little bit. I'm just going to talk and be a schmuck on Instagram Live and Facebook Live. For anyone who hasn't gotten a donation in, that wants to go in, please, the Ukulele Kids Club is an incredible organization that gives the gift of music therapy and ukuleles to kids that are recovering from treatments in hospitals. It's an incredible organization. So please, if you can, $1, $5, $10, $1 million. $1 million, anyone? Come on, going once, going twice.
Hey, Michael Trainey's on there.
Hey, there we go. Come on. Oh, Rainey's on there?
Yeah.
Michael Rainey, my
Sorry,
guy.
I said it wrong.
My guy. So yeah, everyone, if you can, donate. It's an incredible organization. All right, I guess I guess I gotta do one more since the last one pooped out on me. Well, what do I go out on now? Oh, I got it. Yeah, right? to sing along with this one. Hopefully my phone doesn't die on this. When I wake up in the morning, love, and the sunlight hurts my eyes, and something without warning, love, bears heavy on my mind. Well, then I look at you, and the world is alright with me. Just wanna look at you, and I know it's gonna be a lovely day, yeah. Woo-hoo. A lovely, lovely day, lovely day, lovely day, lovely day, lovely day, lovely day. When the day that lies ahead of me seems impossible to face, and someone else instead of me, ooh, always seems to know the way. Well, then I look at you, and the world is alright with me. Just wanna look at you, and I know it's gonna be a lovely day, yeah, yeah. A lovely, lovely day, lovely day, lovely day, lovely day, lovely day, lovely day. When I wake up in the morning, love, the sunlight hurts my eyes, and something without warning, love, bears heavy on my mind. Well, then I look at you, and the world is alright with me. Just wanna look at you, yeah, and I know it's gonna be. Just wanna look at you, and I know it's gonna be, baby. Said just wanna look at you, and I know it's gonna be a lovely day, yeah, yeah, yeah. A lovely day, yeah, 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 yeah. A lovely, lovely day, lovely day, lovely day, lovely day, lovely day, lovely day, lovely day. A lovely, lovely day, lovely day, a lovely day, a lovely day, a lovely day, lovely day. A lovely day. UKC! Well, I hope y'all had a good time, a lovely day, a lovely night. Oh, what a night, all that good stuff. Thank you guys. Thank you for your donations. They are greatly, greatly appreciated. Some kid out there is going to love the ukulele and love the music therapy that they get. The UKC is an incredible organization. Follow them. Give them all of your money. They're incredible. Seriously, y'all. I'm so happy to be a part of this. And thank you to the UKC for having me. Facebook Live, Instagram Live. I'd love to do it again sometime. Me and my pimple, thank you. Thank y'all. I'm gonna sign off here, but your donations were greatly appreciated. Thanks for coming and hanging out and listening to music, y'all. Take care. See you again.